Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram comments not showing up. So if you are trying to see comments on your post and if it's not showing up, these are the fixes you could try. First of all, launch your Instagram application. Get logged into your account, tap onto your profile, and then tap three bar icon. Now in here, directly search for comment. You will see comments, go ahead and tap onto it. Now make sure that you have not blocked comments from your friends. So make sure that you see block comments from 0 people. Under who can comment, make sure this is set to everyone, even in your post, reels, or stories. And likewise, all you have to do is go ahead and clear the cache. Long tap onto your application, tap on the I button. Scroll below, tap on storage, and then clear cache. Once done, you're going to have to restart your device, launch your Instagram application again, refresh it a couple of times, and it will definitely fix the problem. Thank you for watching.